Hello stunning fan, Michele here. We're glad you stopped by. Today we're showing you a few camping hacks that we thought were really cool. Fire is an essential part of the camping experience, and it's nice to know that you can light a fire even in damp or wet conditions. This method of waterproofing matches is ingenious. Just dip the matches in nail polish, then let them dry, and then pack them away with a piece of sandpaper or back into the box they came in, and you're good to go. We did a little demo here for you. The match lit right up after being dunked into water. The next hack is soap shavings. Shower gel can spill in your bag and it's bulky. Carrying a bar of soap is compact, but once that puppy gets wet, it's kind of gross to transport. Use a potato peeler and create soap shavings that can be used as needed. They're compact and you don't have to store that slimy bar of soap or worry about the messes in your backpack. The next hack is fun if you have kids, or even if you want to create a romantic mood with your sweetheart. Simply cut open a non-toxic, this is important, make sure it's non-toxic, glow stick and empty the liquid into a jar. Shake it around and seal it up, and you have a cool illuminary to light the night. Next is the double cup filter. No need for a coffee pot or special equipment that will bog down your backpack. Just punch small holes in the bottom of a paper cup. In a second cup, add your coffee grounds or loose tea and hot water, then slowly push the cup with the holes down into the cup with the liquid to strain out all the grounds or all the tea. We are a lifestyle channel that features a variety of content, from cooking, unboxing videos, to anything that can be a DIY style project. And we would really love it if you would like and subscribe and hit the bell so you can be notified the next time that we decide to share one of our projects. We save the best for last. Traveling with eggs can be tricky. Cardboard cartons get soggy when wet. The camping egg holders are bulky and take up just as much room as a carton, if not more, in your ice chest. And there is nothing worse than a cracked egg in your ice chest. Here's a compact solution to traveling with eggs. Plastic food-safe bottles. An empty water bottle can hold 10 to 12 pre-scrambled eggs. We used an empty bottle from a naked juice drink because it has a wider mouth to transport whole eggs that can be prepared poached, fried, or over easy. This hack is a game changer in the traveling with an ice chest world. Again, thanks for stopping by and have an amazing day.